CapCut just blew my mind with this one. The new face tracking tool is insanely powerful. It automatically follows your face as you move, keeping your subject perfectly framed every time. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and add the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, with your clip selected, go to the toolbar and tap camera tracking. Here, you'll see several tracking options: face, body, hand, and custom. Each one is designed for a specific type of movement. Once you've select face tracking, select start. CapCut will automatically detect the face in your video. You'll notice the camera instantly locks on your face and adjusts the framing as you move. Once the processing is done, you can further customize the face with the settings. First, blur to canvas. You'll notice that the face tracking is enabled. That's because when the camera reframes your face, parts of the video's edges can move off the screen, leaving black bars. This blur fills those empty space to keep your video looking clean and professional. Next, fit to canvas. When this option is on, CapCut automatically scales the video to fit your project canvas size. After that, lock object size. Enabling this will make the face of the subject stays the same size even if you move around. And lastly, the shake slider. This control how the camera shake is added to the tracking motion. Adjust this one on your preferred level. Once you're done customizing your settings, preview your video to see the result. When you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've just learned how to master CapCut's new face tracking tool. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!